today we're at the shopping centre and there's heaps of bream, some down there, and yeah. And it just happens that Dad never leaves home without a rod and reel.
Yeah, well, we've had some lunch and we've worked out that the fish like the local cuisine. I had some Chinese.
Which is really cats and dogs.
It is. And we kept some spare, so we're going to bait up and we're going to see if we can catch one of these suckers. Let's go, Blake. Oh, yeah, it's alright, eh? G'day. Today we're just doing a little bit of shopping centre fishing. Just setting up my reel. This is what I call my pan rod and reel, because look at it, it's like a big pan. Pull him out.
Yeah, there.
Okay, lower it to the water. Put it in gear. You got a good one, Blake. Play him out. How's that pen rod and reel going, mate?
Yeah, it's alright.
Jeez, he's taking your drag.
Got a nice smooth drag on it.
There we go. There's Blake's first drop. Blake's nice little shopping centre bream. There he is. I'm going to let him go.
Nice catch my pen combo.